I've always wanted to work in aviation, as far as I can remember. My career began in the military in 1986, working on helicopters as a crew chief for the U.S. Army. I've been working with Delta Airlines now for over 13 years. No day is the same here, and the work we do is so dynamic. Here at TechOps, we pride ourselves in giving 110% in everything that we do. While the rest of the world sleeps, AMTs are working hard around the clock to keep our fleet flying and making sure our customers are able to arrive at their final destination on time. Putting safety first, always. I feel honored to work with such a talented and highly skilled group of people that come from all walks of life. I love what I do, and I work for a company that puts its people first. My name is Cedric Morris, and I'm a proud Delta Airlines aviation maintenance technician.